Hi, and welcome to Rainbow Unicorn Cat 1 channel. American Girl released a whole bunch of new historical stuff today. We got 3 new dolls in their original meat outfits. We got new stuff for Julie. We got re-release stuff for Julie. So of course I had to go to American Girl place in New York City. And of course I had to purchase most of it for myself. So come along with me, take a look at what's going on at American Girl Place NYC. And by the way, if you are new to this channel and interested in all American Girl related content but not yet subscribed to us, you should definitely do so. And if you turn on the notification bell, YouTube will always let you know when we upload a new video. We post all the latest American Girl news, crafts, and unboxing. We post every Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but sometimes we post on other days as well. For example, today we're posting on a Thursday because there's so many cool things happening. Now let's go into the store and see what the area in the front looks like. And it's definitely a different look from what they used to have. We got the 3 dolls, Kirsten, Addy, and Josefina, wearing their birthday outfits. And if you remember the birthday stories in the Pleasant Company time, all the dolls had their birthdays in spring, and that's when their birthday stories happened. And here's Julie with a bunch of new swag. She has her floral jumper, which got re-released, and she got this really cool record player. It is new. It is similar to the one that she used to have, but it's not the same. And I'm definitely going to review it maybe tomorrow, maybe the day after. And I'm also going to review the floral jumper, of course. Now let me give you a closer look at all the dolls. I'm just so super impressed that American Girl is bringing back the old historical outfits. This is a step in the right direction for them. So many fans would like to see these outfits come back, and so many parents encourage their children to collect American Girl because of the historical aspect. Of course, not everyone, but some do. Look at this fabulous display. How beautiful is it? Whoever does displays at American Girl Place in New York City always does fantastic jobs. So if they're watching by any chance, I love all the displays, always. Oh, look at this. And I like the little extra details like plants and stuff, and the background picture. It's just beautiful. It just goes so well together. If you don't go to American Girl Place in New York City, if you go to a different store, let me know how you like the displays. And as you can see, there are quite a few dolls. Oh, here's Julie. Here's Julie's display. This is also in the front area of the store, by the way. And it is pretty large. Julie is a fan favorite. She's American Girl's bestseller. Possibly the best-selling doll currently. I'm not 100% sure about it. So she gets a lot of stuff. Yeah, look how beautiful she is. She's a very popular character. Her colors are bright and fun. Oh, double points. Remember, if you order something now through May 5th, you will get double points. And whatever, depending on your membership. Like if you're a Berry member, you'll get more than 2 points per dollar. So look how cute all the displays are. I just love it. And all the new stuff. I basically purchased almost everything from Julie's collection except for the doll herself, and I didn't purchase the lunch box because I already have the old one. Oh, and I really like this area where all historicals are displayed. There's a different area downstairs that is 100% historical, and also Welly Wishers and Bitty Babies. And this is kind of their front window, which is also updated. That area was closed just 2 days ago. It was all covered up, and that's how we knew that new stuff was coming. So Julie gets a new display, and I'm really happy about it. And here are Addy, Kirsten, and Josefina. This is Julie's display. Super beautiful. Here are all the historical characters that are currently available for purchase at American Girl Place NYC or on their website. And look at the beauties. I just absolutely love them. And if you're wondering what I purchased today from the historical release, On top of all the Julie items, I've purchased Addy and her birthday outfit, and I've purchased Kirsten and her birthday outfit. So please come back to our channel tomorrow and the day after. There will be a bunch of new cool videos. And look at that Kirsten. Oh, if you are an adult collector and you were wondering how prone to weird, facial features these dolls are, Kirsten was pretty good. The very first Kirsten that I picked was the perfect one, and I compared her to two more Kirstens, and they were all decent. No wonky eyes or anything like that. With Addy, I had to look at 5 Addies, but none of them were horrible. I just picked the one that I liked the best. So if you order it online, I'm gonna say it's a pretty safe bet with these dolls. Now let's take a look at Julie's area. She has quite a large area on the ground floor of American Girl Place NYC. This display did not exist a couple of days ago. It was kind of halfway empty, and look at this. I just love everything about this display. The San Francisco Railroad. Here's Julie, and I'm guessing that's truly me with a Korean face mold. I think she's supposed to represent Ivy. There are a lot of Ivy fans in American Girl community, and a lot of people think she's a more interesting character than Julie. Also, she's the only Asian American historical character. American Girl should definitely bring Ivy back at some point. I hope they bring Best Friends back at some point, because there are a lot of fans, there are a lot of people who would love to purchase them for themselves or for their kids. And here is the new Julie box. You could see it features the new journal, but she still has her meat outfit. So there weren't many changes done to Julie. She got new meat accessories and new outfits, but the doll is the same. And I know some people expected for Julie to get her original meat outfit, and I wasn't sure what was going to happen. And I guess American Girl decided to keep the Be Forever outfit for some reason. But you know what? I'm not mad about it at all. And now let's go to the downstairs floor and see the huge historical section there. I'm not going to show you the entire section because it is pretty huge and it would take me like half a day to film it. But I want to show you the display that's dedicated to all the historical characters, and it's just so cool. Look at it. Here are all the historical characters. How beautiful is that? And if you see in the background, they have a different display, which I showed you before. And here are the new re-released dolls. And by the way, I was told that Kirsten, Josefina, and Addy in their meat outfits are not in the permanent collection. They are limited release dolls, and once they sell out, they sell out. However, I wasn't told how many dolls are there and how limited the release is. I was just told that it is a limited collection. I love how in this display the dolls are set up as if they're interacting with each other. The one from the ground floor, the dolls were just standing and not interacting, and here they are interacting. And here is another display of Julie and her current collection. Here are both of her new outfits and the re-released floral jumper. So cute. Let me know in the comments what you purchasing from this release. I'd love to hear all your thoughts and opinions. And I know some of you will be waiting for the May reward to drop. I don't think the items will sell out this fast, so you should be pretty safe waiting for the May reward. And especially if you're purchasing something with shipping, you might be able to combine the April and May reward together if you have them both. However, I couldn't wait, and I used up my April reward that is expiring. Well, it already expired because I used it, but it was supposed to expire in the end of May. So yeah, this is about it. Let me know if you are planning to go to the store, if you're planning to purchase any of the new releases online, and what do you think about this collection overall. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please press the like button. And if you enjoy all American Girl related content but not yet subscribed to us, you should definitely do so. and turn on the notification bell so YouTube will always let you know when we upload a new video. We post all the latest American Girl news, crafts, and unboxing. We post every Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but sometimes we post on other days as well. Thanks for watching and see you next time.